Question number 8. The two spheres, each of mass 10 kg and 8 kg apart, are connected by a rod of negligible mass. Means what? It's as if they are connected by a string. There is no mass of this. The system rotates about an axis halfway along the rod at right angles to it. It rotates from here like this. Okay, this is your axis of rotation. What is the moment of inertia of the system? What is the moment of inertia of the system? See, these are point particles. Point particles with respect to this point should be, moment of inertia of this would be mr square here, mr square here. Since moment of inertia is a scalar quantity, you can always add up these two, which should now be I total should be equal to mr square. What is mr square for this one? It would be 10 kg multiplied by r. What is r here? 4 meters over here. It should be 4 square should be 16 plus this should be, what is the mass over here? The mass here is each of mass, okay, 10 multiplied by 6. Okay, so both are same. It should be 320 kg meters. Answer is B.